I want to touch you with my balls.
Wait, you're a minor too, Faded. Get the heck out of here.
I'm talking to Matthew.
Oh god. Great.
What do you mean, Matthew 16?
No, you-
I wish.
I wish he was.
he was
What?
16. He was 16 5 years ago.
No, can you crouch under that?
I know. You have to. Oh shit! No. Save me, Mace. Oh, I'm crying. This is so fucking cheap.
Round 2, fight!
Watch out! Here it comes.
What is that?
What's that? Oh shit! No, you're not supposed to fight back. Go, Mace. Literally, still have them like on the fucking rope.
Your team's out of line. One
Oh shit.
Oh, you got super.
Well, we
Oh,
lied
there goes the
GPS.
falls, guys. There goes the
GPS.
falls, guys. There goes the falls, guys.
Architect of the city. Shut up, bitch.
And that's how you do the Last Wish raid, guys. Thanks for watching the Dado video.
Oh, not this part.
Yeah. Okay. So just shut up, and we'll stay calm. Okay. I got you. I got you. It's all good. See? Money, bro. Money. Oh my god!
How do you pronounce your name? Tong Bong.
No, I
It's gotta be it. He's on cat.
If use whatever, dude. We will get this. Swear.
I am so confused.
Bro, use them in. What the fuck?
You fucking playing JoJo.
Fortnite Queen!
Jaggers.
Jaggers!
Jagger, that's racist, dude.
Jack.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Oh man, I love the fucking Deep Stone Crypt gun. Oh!
It's so retarded.
What was this?
Hey, hobo. Hey, hobo.
I'm trying to do my thing, and it's
What?
there. That okay? I just.
Oh,
had it.
okay. Gotcha. I understand.
I'm going Bravo with you.
Is the RA squad ready?
Oh,
Totally worth it. Totally worth it.
Are you ready? Immediately goes.
I got that. I'm so happy I got that.
As soon as I peeked, I knew it was you.
1 minute. You're ahead on lives. Enemy team is out of lives. Topple them.
There's a guy there. Gary.
Aw, well, how'd that happen?
That's what I'm saying. Oh my god, dude, he's gonna pick our whole fucking team. That's why I dropped the bomb. Just give him.
Damn, okay, I'll just fucking kill myself then. Alright.
No, dude,
Yep.
it's
Wait, no, I have a
just so perfect.
I have a soundboard for that too.
You fucking the shit out of me. You fucking the shit out of me. What was that one?
That was an amalgamation. That was not the Amparagon. Bro.
Dude, I
Wait,
cheered.
wait.
Hold up, yeah. Hold up, yeah.
All the single furries.
No!
All the single furries. All the single furries.
I'm so sorry, but everyone has to be subjected to
All the
that.
single fair.
All the single fairies.
Paul.
Her. Wait, did you say her?
Yeah, it's apparently a she. Even though when I look at this, I think
Oh.
hunt.
I thought you were
Soundboard
about
time.
me.
They don't hit the Pentagon.
I always see the soundboard going up the elevator.
I will
You guys not
abandon
getting
all
any-
of my fucking morals for money. Going to punch
Said
your
every
baby, pay me
OF
5 cents. I'll do it.
Said every OnlyFans woman ever. I'll abandon my morals for money.
They never
need a
had
sixth
morals to
gamer.
begin with.
True.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking for. Oh,
Oh.
oh God!
Right?
Oh
That's
God! Oh no!
That's crazy.
Come here, little boy.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Excuse me, I'm walking here. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, I'm walking, I'm still walking, excuse me, excuse me,
I don't know how to do. I don't know how to
excuse me,
get out of
sir,
this.
sir, excuse me.
Alright, where do we go? Left or right?
I'm
Well,
a
one of
bee
those two.
specialist.
White women are the bane of all life.
Oh my
Because
God!
us two wanna burn
Oh
down the
my
flag.
God! I didn't say on God to that. I did not.